Good morning and what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I'm your host, Cameron Salad Pack, and today we're going to be moving the Turd once again. Now, I have a new storage unit that is closer to the shop where I'll actually be able to work on the Turd, and so it's just today's going to be a matter of moving the Turd over there and cutting it up and having some more fun and getting officially started on it.
I got a pair of... Oh my god, you could have told me. I would have dressed a little nicer. Fix my hair. Get all my pimples up close.
I got you on my face, did you?
What?
That on was the last one, and it was like rusted, this rust kind of weld anyway, but just cutting it. I'm not going to reuse the seat mounts anyway. Plus, it was very rusted on that last bolt. My goodness. Sorry, Spider. Turd's getting built best I can. Well, if the body isn't apart enough, you get to cut it up some more.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Seems safe to me. Such a monumental moment. Make sure you always wear your seatbelt. Safety, and it's the law. See how safe it is? Didn't even cut through it. I think the rust might help on this one. That was my inner leg. A perfectly good zip tie. That's awesome. things you find underneath your seat. Alright, so there's not a whole lot left to do for today in this episode, but some wiring stuff inside the cab, or what's left of it. There's the master cylinder for the brakes that still needs to be drained and disconnected. Other than some wiring stuff and that, then the body can fully come off, finally. And then pretty much we can start disassembling the exhaust system, gas tank off, transmission, engine, and then we can start cleaning up the frame and fully get started on this build. So thanks guys for watching the video. See you in the next one, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trails.